Hi, my name is Erica Espinosa, and I'm going to be talking about the effects of Teladoc Health on Memorial Health System. What is Teladoc Health? Well, it offers telemedicine services since 2002 through video calls, phone calls, messaging, and emailing. It offers virtual care for non-emergency services, inpatient services, and outpatient services. Some of the services Teladoc offers is through General Medical, which offers 24/7 care for non-emergency conditions. It is a one-time appointment, so if symptoms continue, the patients would need to see a different doctor, possibly at our hospital. There is Primary 360, which offers routine checkups and care for chronic conditions for adults. It provides personalized care plans, monitor health and progress, refer patients to specialists, and can request lab work, imaging tests, and provide prescriptions. After-hours services are offered with a different doctor to answer questions, therefore decreasing emergency room overflow because these questions can be answered with these doctors. Services offered in mental health gives access to therapists and psychiatrists for anxiety, depression, PTSD, stress, relationship conflicts, and substance use disorders. They can also prescribe certain medications, like listed below. However, controlled substances need to be prescribed by a different service. Luckily, patients are able to choose what type of therapist or psychiatrist they have, which is very important for their likelihood to continue therapy and their overall progress. In specialist and expert opinion, patients are able to see specialists for their rare diseases. They can offer medical advice, questions, second opinions, and recommendations for a treatment plan. This is especially important because patients with rare diseases can have an increase in access, and when in-person visits are needed, our hospital can work with Teladoc to offer those. In wellness care, it gives connection to dietitians, health coaches, and exercise specialists for certain services like nutrition, exercise plans, neck and back care, quitting smoking, and sexual health. They're also able to give tests for STS. So I want to get into the challenges and the benefits of having Teladoc and partnering with them. Some of the challenges that we will have is that they're not covered by all insurance companies. However, we do know patients who have Medicare and Medicaid will be taken care of in this situation. There is also the possibility of unreliable internet or inability to virtually connect. However, we can work with Teladoc and offer appointments to be made up, whether they are virtual or in person. There also could be an inability to navigate the system. However, we would be able to provide these patients tech support and aid to navigate the link that we provide on our website. The reason I have physical appointments that are still necessary down below, because this is a challenge and a benefit to us. The challenge is that some patients still may need to come in for things like having their blood drawn, requiring physical exam, or for extreme mental health conditions. However, Memorial Health is able to offer those in-person services, so that is why it is a benefit for all of us. So for some of the benefits, we have a large network of health professionals. Like I mentioned before, we can get access to rare specialists. There is an increase in patient accessibility, and they are also able to expand the patient's choice so that they can choose who they want to be on their medical team. This also helps to expand outpatient medical care. I know personally this was an issue as I lived in a rural town with a hospital that was 1 to 2 hours away. We're able to give our patients the convenience that they can reach us through virtual means, and to address emergency room management, There's often an overflow because we have non-emergency medical issues that lead patients having to wait very long times. This way, with the 24/7 care offered through some of our services, patients are able to ask questions, therefore decreasing the overflow. So I really want to look into our patients and seeing how we can expand the options. So I thought it was really important to hear about our patients' opinions. Therefore, we have Laura W. giving a great explanation.
I'm a working mom with 4 kids, ages ranging from toddler up to teenager, so it is really challenging when one of them gets sick. Scheduling a doctor's appointment is always an inconvenience because I usually have to miss work and work around the kids' school and activities. So having an option like Teladoc is a game changer. I can talk to a doctor anytime, 24/7, from anywhere, whether I'm at home or in the office or even in the car driving my kids around. So it is a huge help.
I want to thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope that you have seen how partnering with Teladoc will be helpful for Memorial Health. Thank you.